All right, guys, the watch list video for the day after Thanksgiving is going to be Friday, November 25th. The market closes at 1. We're going to try to trade the first hour or so. I think volume will die down after that. First couple hours, maybe. But a lot of times you can get some big movers on that day after Thanksgiving. Sometimes the low floaters get moving and so on. So we'll keep an eye on them. Quick comment, the Black Friday special is posted. I don't think I've ever run a Black Friday special before. We've got it posted on the website and going to go ahead and leave it up all the way through Sunday night, late Sunday night. All right. The trading course is going to be a third of the original price. It is the recorded version, so you can basically get a hold of it almost immediately and start studying. Wayne and I put the course together. We're trying to reach and turn around as many struggling traders as we can, not entirely selflessly, because we have both agreed that we trade better since we put the course together. It's like now we put all these rules into writing, right? And we've got people in the chat room that have taken the course. And so, not that we didn't already practice what we teach in the course, but man, when you put a course together, you're sort of cemented to the rules, and it's made us both better traders. We're both trading. So it's not entirely selfless, because when you teach something, it also becomes more ingrained in yourself. So I've been trading better than any time in my life after putting that course together this summer. And also the chat room, which is a great compliment to the material in the course. We have rolled back to 2004, the year that we first opened. We rolled the prices back to the 2004 prices. So click around on the website. You'll find both of those specials. And again, keeping them both up until late Sunday night. So showing you the SPY here. We're still strong. We gapped down on Friday morning. I'm sorry, I keep thinking it's a weekend. We gapped down on Wednesday morning, and I told everybody I'm not at all concerned about the gap down because bulls are in charge, and you can see what happened. We ended up closing near the highs. So here's the list I put together for Friday morning. Let's just start with OPTT. Now this is a little bit obscure. We had this big move back here, 4 days lower, and then a nice intraday pop. Let's see, this would have been Tuesday, and then Wednesday, quiet, almost no volume inside day. So this one might just pop again. I'll show it to you on 15-minute candles. So you had the big pop, and you're kind of flagging now, right? Lower highs, but higher lows. So I like it up, I don't know, anywhere through 360. This one might just get going. Low float stock. Keep your eyes on OPTT. SCON had that big pop on Tuesday and just a quiet. Again, Wednesday was just dead. It was really, really thin out there. I think some traders might show up on Friday morning. So want to keep an eye on this SCON. Another low floater, CHNR, which ended up closing near its highs on Wednesday. I'll get used to it. No trades in it on Wednesday, but this is still one to watch in my opinion. NSPR. Love this daily chart coming into Wednesday, right? I mean, you had this big spike here and a couple days inside day of this spike here. Anyway, this one really looked coiled to rip, but then gapped up on Friday, and that took some of the, gapped up on Wednesday, took some of the momentum out of it. And again, it was really thin out there Wednesday, so this one's certainly worth watching for a turn back up on Friday. SPEX got a big pop on Wednesday. All right, looking for a red to green or something like that in SPEX. VLTC had this huge pop, 4 days lower, a nice pop again. Maybe this follows through on Friday. OPXA, huge move here. Let's see, this would have been Monday. It went from 68 cents to $1.49. That's a huge move. 2 days lower on declining volume. I'll be looking for this one to maybe push back up to $1, maybe give us a nice trade. SKLN, huge pop on Tuesday, quiet inside day on Wednesday. Be watching that one for a possible move on Friday. And then lastly, BNSO. Pretty much all low float, low price stocks going into Friday. And we'll add some gappers as well. This BNSO had this huge pop here, and it's really kind of just coiling. And so I want to keep an eye on it. I'm not in love with this one. I'm not in love with really any of these, but having them on charts, if we get the proper setup, we can get in early. Some of these, man, you can make 20, 30% in 15 minutes if they set up right and if they do go. So we want to have these on charts, and then we'll work together as a team in the pre-market to build us a gap playlist as well, and hopefully catch a nice gapper in the morning as well. So hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys on Friday morning.